There we go. Now I can get through this. There we go. You better watch your back, boy. Ooh. Another gun. Ooh. Now I have two? Oh, no. I'm stupid. That's just one. I just got, like, bullets or whatever. More dynamite? Yes! Oh! Oh, you're done. You're done. You're done. Why am I in a hole? I'm in a hole! Oh, no! Oh, 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 oh! You're done. You're gone. You're a goner. You're a goner. You're a goner. Goner. What hole did I fall into? Oh, right here. What? I fell. Okay. Get me that. I got a cheese? What does the cheese do? Okay. Light that up. Bam. Now we're gonna. Yes.
The city's buzzing with people. Just not the kind I'd put on the guest list.
Bam. And bam. And bam. And bam. Oh, yes. Okay, where's the other people? I know there's gonna be more. I hate the. Oh! 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 Bam. Oh my goodness, you guys are tough ones. Is this just like a laundry? Like a lawn? Oh my goodness, just die. Goodness gracious. Oh no. Woo! Ah! I'm an animal! Ah! I just blew myself up! Wait, I want this gun. Stop switching back to two guns. The music's still going on right now. So, that means people are still coming after me, right? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna drink this, though. Oh, the cheese is in the corner of my screen. Did I even need to do that? No, I did not need to even do that. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, well, let's do this. I don't see anyone right now. Where are they? They're gonna come out right there. Ooh! Woo! Oh, whoa, whoa, sniper, dude! I got a freaking sniper. Oh my goodness. What the heck? He's teleporting! What the heck? What the heck? Why is he teleporting? Oh my goodness. What was all of that about? Why the heck was he teleporting? Who is this guy? It was totally snap. What the? What? Am I supposed to shoot that? No. What am I supposed to do now? I have to do something over there. Because the door is right there. Or am I supposed to blow that up? I don't think so. No. I'm lost. Oh wait, it's right here. I could have gone up there. Oh. Oh, I'm supposed to, okay, I am supposed to go up there. I just had to do something else first. Okay. Parkour! 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 Yeah! Parkour. Switch. Ah! Okay, now people are gonna. Ah! 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 Oh, I keep trying to crouch, and I keep sprinting. Oh fetch! Oh fetch! Oh fetch! Oh fetch! Ah! Okay. Okay. Come on. Oh, come on. Ah! Go! Why are you still living? Woo! You can't snipe me, boy. Woo! Apparently you can't snipe me. Oh, I'm out of frick stuff. Oh! I think I'm too far. Woo! Oh, oh, ah! Ah! Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh, oh, oh. Reload. I'm gonna pick up all my weapons again. Do not blow up any of the bombs, cause... Oh wait, do I need to do that whole thing again? Yes, I need to do this. No, I don't. What? Yes, I did. I missed. Okay, we got this. Crouch. Ah! Don't sprint! I'm gonna get rid of you. Ah, nope, I'm getting rid of you. Get out of here. Woo! Ah! Wait, get out of here. Woo! You can't shoot me, you awful Amy. Okay, I shouldn't speak for myself. Oh my goodness. Ah! Free money. Woo! Ah, I'm out of things again. No, why are you up there? What? Where are you? Where are you there? Woo! Don't teleport. Ah! Get out of here. Why are you still here? Ah! No! No, 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 no! Get out of here. Ah, man. Oh, 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 oh! Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, what am I supposed to do now? Okay, up here I go.
Feeling a little stage fright creeping in.
Oh, I see you, boy. You don't try anything. Okay, wait. Okay, I can't go in there. We're gonna reload. Actually, before I do that, we're gonna hide up here again. We're gonna reload. Never mind, we're not gonna reload. We'll just, okay, we're going all shotgun. Whoop. What the heck? What the heck? What?
Bullet points!
Yeah, you can say that again. Ah! Oh, no, 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 no. What? How are you still living? Oh my goodness, I'm out of bullets. Again! This guy is giving me so much freaking trouble. Ah! I just wasted a bullet. I shouldn't have wasted the bullet. What am I doing? Ah! Yeah, you do forget about it. Goodness gracious. Right there. Ah! Woo! Ah! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, I have 3 shots to kill this dude! Ah, that's so unfair! Oh, I'm out of bullets! Give me the bullet, give me the bullets! Run, I'm running. You can't shoot me when 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 I'm running. Nope, 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 nope. Ah! You can shoot me when I'm running. You can shoot me when I'm running. Ah! Crouch! Oh my goodness, I'm totally gonna die. I'm gonna die! Shoot him! Oh my gosh! Ah, don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! I'm at one! 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 No, 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 no! Ah! Oh my goodness! Where's this gun? Guy with the gun. Where's the gun? Right in front of me! No! Oh! I was not ready! I don't have any bullets! Why do I not have any bullets? Okay, okay. F to kick you, guys. I need a different gun. Can you guys not get up here? Oh, that would be amazing if you guys cannot get up here. Get him down! How are you hitting me? You're not even near me! Oh, nice shot, dude. Oh my goodness, I'm not doing nice shots. Here we go. Reload. Oh, you're dead. You're dead. What? How are you throwing stuff at me? What was that? Oh my goodness gracious. Are they gone? Please say they're gone. Oh my goodness, they're gone. And I only wanted to talk to the big guy. Oh my goodness gracious. More parkour. Yay. Oh, no! Oh, turn that quick. Oh, I thought it was rising. Rising, whatever. What? Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, I have to get down. I don't have enough bullets for this! Get out of here! Get out of here! I do not have enough bullets for this. Drink that. Who's shooting me? You again? Oh my goodness, how many times do I have to kill you? There we go. Oh my gosh. Hold up, I want that cash. That's a load of cash. Oh, 10? Only 10? Why wasn't it like a... Oh, that's so unfair. Okay, where the... Ooh! That jumps. Whee! Okay.
Almost there, Jackie.
Let me reload all my stuff. Reload. Reload. Okay. Come on. Let's give me...
Oh, you
Oh,
gotta be
get
kidding me.
Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Oh my goodness. Get out of here. Get out of here. You too. Give me the other ones. Oh my goodness. Ah! I didn't mean to do that. I'm out of bullets. Again. Oh my goodness. Who are you? Where's the other stuff? Drink that. Tab. Tab. Reload this. I don't have any bullets still. Give me that. Ah! Oh, that. Don't mind if I do. Give me that. Oh, that is so much nicer. Ah! Get out of here! Kick you! Oh my goodness. Please say we're done. I just want to talk to the big guy. That's all I want.
Ah, namaste, traveler. What brings you to this ancient place
Oh
of
my
learning?
goodness.
It's a basement under a brand new opera house. Semantics ain't gonna get you across that death trap, Chief. It's a shallow pit full of garbage and... Look, pal, you wanna learn? Or do you wanna stand there flapping your gums? I got deep stuntman thoughts to ponder. Yeah, all right. Enlighten me, maestro. Now, listen closely. This here's an ancient technique passed down by a legendary stunt guru back in New Rotterdam. Changed
Okay.
my life. Cost me 3 ribs, but changed my life. Here's the deal. When you jump, just act like you didn't. Clear your mind. No thoughts, no fear, no gravity. Then, when you forget you're midair, jump again. Works like a charm. Gotta be the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
Okay.
Nah, that's dumb work, Chief. The great wheel of infinite cheddar. You just gotta believe. Now get out there and defy physics. No need to thank me.
Okay.
Sure, why not?
Woo!
Certainly trusted worse advice.
So it's a double jump. Okay. Ooh. But yeah, this is about a moss man. Who it's kind of like Bigfoot, kind of thing. I think we're gonna end it there. Thank you for watching again. Like the video if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Please, it helps. And goodbye. My voice. voice is dying.